Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing some Nike Downshifter 10 running shoes. Let's see what they look like, and if you like this video and you like these shoes, give me a thumbs up please, it really helps the channel, thank you. These are mostly foam with rubber on the entire bottom, which is nice. They should last a little bit. Inside looks pretty comfortable. So if you guys are looking at these on Amazon like we bought them, just made a quick video so you guys could see kind of a little bit more of the quality as far as how they look, and we'll see how they hold up. I have a link in the description down below if you'd like to get the same ones. And these are the Nike Downshifter 10. Made in Vietnam. So I've got them on, they feel pretty good. Feel comfortable. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more shoe unboxing video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.